In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared Google Calendar. This is a super handy way to coordinate with family, friends, or colleagues and ensure everyone stays on the same page. Let's dive in and go through this process step by step. First, we need to head over to Google Calendar. It's easily accessible via your web browser. Simply type in Google Calendar in your search engine or go directly to calendar.google.com. Once you're on the main interface, you'll see a list of your calendars on the left side of the screen. Now, let's select the calendar that you want to share. Hover over the calendar name and you'll notice three vertical dots appearing on the right. This is known as the options menu. Click on these dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Settings and Sharing. This will take you to a new page where you'll see various settings related to your calendar. Don't be overwhelmed by all the options, there's a lot, but we're only focusing on sharing right now. Once you're in the settings, look to the left sidebar or the right side area under Configure Calendar. You will find the Access Permissions section. Here, you'll see the Add People and Groups option. Click on that. After clicking, a prompt will emerge allowing you to add the email addresses of the people you wish to share your calendar with. You can type in as many email addresses as you like, all separated by commas. It's as simple as entering their email addresses. Google does all the hard work for you. Once you've added everyone you want, let's talk about permissions. You have a few choices here. You can give people permission to see only when you're busy but not the event details, or full access where they can see all event details. Other options include allowing them to make changes to events or even to manage sharing, essentially giving them the same control you have over the calendar. After setting everything to your liking, don't forget to click the send button. This will send out emails to all the people you just added, giving them instructions on how to access your shared calendar. Finally, remember that you can also individually manage permissions for each person even after sharing. Simply navigate back to the same settings area if you want to tweak someone's access, or if needed, revoke it altogether using the X button next to their name. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a shared Google Calendar. Not only is this going to make organizing your life easier, but it'll also help keep everyone in sync with each other. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.